Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will tell you about the system unit. But before starting this video I will request you to please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Now let's start the video. System unit is a case that contains different electronics components of the computer used to process in the data. All in the computer system have a system unit. System unit has made of the problem of metal and protect of the components inside. Unit system is the typically contains of motherboard, processor, memory, hard disk and other electronics components. System units in these parts of the explosion slots, video card, drivers and in the motherboard of the power supply and memory status. System unit is are available in different shape and size. The system unit of the desktop computer stand and verified particularly of the desk called power of the model. Another types called in the program computer contains the system unit and the monitors of the same cases. In laptop computers of keyboards and pointing device on the built in top of the system unit. This system unit in the table of behind the display of screen wears in the system unit of the cover in tablet of the below in the key. System units in the until of in motherboards in the communication of medium in the details of any systems in main criticals board of inside the system unit. It is also known as the system board in the main board. All components or drives of the computer system are connected to the motherboard system. Some electronics components in the built into the motherboard of some can be attached to it. Some important components of the motherboard are as follows. Port, a connection point that is used to attach in the physical devices of the motherboard. Explanations of the slot in the components located on the motherboard of enable you to connect in an expansion card. Drive controller. It is the components of motherboard that provides drive interface in BIOSes, and it is also program stored in the chip and the motherboard that is used to start up the computer. Memory slot in is the slots of mother hold in the memory of the models, and it is the sold of the processors of in the located of that data follows between computer components in the via buses. Okay guys, I tell you the in the central processing units of CPU. CPU stand for the central processing units. It is the in brain of the computer and it is most important in a computer cannot work without CPU. All computers have in the central processing unit. CPU is located on the motherboard. It carries out most of the work of a computer. CPU performs all the operations on data according on the giving of instructions. It executes of instructions and the tells of the parts of computer. What do you in the sum of work consist in the circulation of the data transfer. All functions of processing usually on the single chips of personal manufacturing and processor chips of the ADM and processor of the two most common units of multiple core processor are as follows: Dell core processor and quick core processor. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel, do comments and share with other friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.